What's the matter, Lily? Did our walk end? Why don't you come play with your blocks? Would you like to play with your blocks? Come on, come try play with your blocks. Come on. Mama's got them over here. Do you want them? Here you go. Have a block. Thank you, Mommy. There they are, blocks.